back. Okay, we had to upgrade over here. So we were using this one. Now we're going to use this one. A little different size. A little bit different airflow. This is high flow. This is higher flow. Then we go from heavy duty to big boy. Real heavy duty. This is not impact rated because they don't make an impact rated adapter from 3/4 to half. This is a heavy duty socket. This is 6-point instead of a 12-point. So I haven't broke one of these off yet that I bought. Harbor Freights are good for 2 impacts and they're gone, or maybe only 1. So there you go. These are not Harbor Freight ones. Okay, so there's our big boy tool.
Back's done.
Good.
I'm gonna put the valve stem core back in it and get ready to put air in it.
Put air in it.
It'll be ready.
Put an airline? Oh, this is not good for this. Oh, I forgot I don't have a big boy airline fitting yet, so I can't use my big boy hose. I forgot about that. Damn it! We'll go back to my big small one. But these are high flow. They're like 4 times more flow than normal. Okay, so we're almost at full power. Not quite. Loosen. Okay, who's gonna put their hand on it this time? That might hurt. Yeah. Don't get your finger jammed in there as it eats it up. That's pretty tight, boss. Okay. We have to come up with a better way of holding that because this is just tearing the shreds out of this rag. There's no stopping this from spinning with my hand with a big wrench on it. I think it's pretty tight. Where's your old chain?
Over there somewhere, maybe?
It's in that box you said somewhere, wasn't it?
No, that's new stuff.
That was new stuff? Where's the
that
old
pile
stuff?
right there. There's probably everything sitting right there.
It's under here?
Maybe, yeah. Looks like a chain guard. See, it's guarding the chain.
It's guarding the chain over here. Oh my God, we found a chain right there.
I'll get it.
All right, get it. Okay, so I'm gonna put the chain on the bike now.
Go.
Because I can't hold the sprocket back by my fingers. Way too much power. The other way is you put a torch on the nut and warm it up pretty hot. If there's any Loctite on it, it'll loosen up. Okay, now you just go like that. You have somebody hold that together for you. Or you figure out where the master link is at, which I have no idea where it's at. I think it's missing. Missing in action someplace. So all we gotta do is hold this and hit the zip gun on the other side. Appears I'm gonna have to be multifunctional right now. We can do that, maybe. Hey, it came free. No, it didn't. The nut broke. The nut split open right there. See how it broke? So why is that nut not coming off? I have no idea why that's being a pain like this. Well, it's spun, so that means the threads are probably not very good on high gear now. So why did it do that? I have no idea. Okay, so now we got to try to get this thing off of here. I don't want to keep unscrewing it because it's not unscrewing. At least with that big tool it's not. Let's try taking off by hand. If that doesn't work, we'll cold chisel it, maybe. I don't know. It's loose. Just won't come off. I put a screwdriver behind it, might do the trick.
Get it?
I broke it.
What'd you broke?
The nut.
Alright, well, at least it's coming off, huh?
No, I said I broke it. I didn't say it was coming off.
Oh.
That's a completely different thing, coming off and breaking is. But big boy there did get it come free.
Right on.
The nut turns now, so you turn the nut.
That's good.
It doesn't come off.
It's a start.
Yeah, it's a start. So
There, it comes off. Like threads up underneath.
I don't know. The threads look good on this.
I wish those look worse and these look better.
Well, these look
Look like they've been worked.
like they've been worked over with a big ass impact.
Something like that.
That was on there.
That's not coming off either?
It doesn't appear that it wants to come off. My guess is whatever they put in there, they got it in there pretty good. Those threads are not the best of condition anymore, are they?
Mm.
It's coming. Slowly. There. They put some magic dupe on that thing. All right. So if you stuff enough silicone in there, it'll seal it, right? Well, you don't want to look at those threads, do you? Because they're non-existent.
Oh man. It's worse as you spin around.
Yes, the threads are not nice.
Oh shit.
They look like it was a conventional thread and I unscrewed the wrong way, it looks like. I know that's not true. There's a little silicone in here. They did load up the silicone though.
I guess that kept it from leaking somewhat, huh?
Those threads are horrible looking. It fractured them off. Those threads are not very pretty looking. It looks like they were all galled up on the nut. But
Yeah.
the nut wasn't damaged. The threads on this are okay. But
Maybe he hammered the hell out of it until it like just crossed them a little bit, or you know.
I don't know, but there's metal in there. The thing is, I don't understand why it wouldn't unscrew, because I don't smell any Loctite, and I don't see Loctite.
Well, if they hammered it on until it distorted the threads, that would have kept it from backing off.
Yeah, they welded it together, basically.
Basically, yeah.
And then I unwelded it
Force.
by brute force, because that's the way I am.
That's what you got to do to get it off.
Yeah, but the problem is now we got a bad gear. And I don't see a nut going back on that, because those threads are gone.
36. That's when I need to pull the friggin' tranny apart now.
They're full of crap right in there. See that right there, that chunk of crap right there is going to keep a nut from going on there. And once you get that one cleared up, you got another one right here, more crap. Those ones there will work. Then you're back.
Why did I let you talk me into this, Keenan?
Because you want to go faster than 50 miles an hour. And I know how you ride.
Can we go backwards in time about 20 minutes?
Go back about 20 minutes and just leave it alone? Too late. All right.
Well, that's chunk too.
Look how much I warped it.
Yeah. All right, well, on with life.
Yeah, big crack in the case right there.
No, that's a casting.
Oh, sure.
I hope. The next thing I got going wrong with it.
Yeah. Well, they put a seal on it recently. Need to do that. All right. Yeah, that was definitely on there good. All right, I'm going to go get me a nut, and we're going to see if we make that work. We're back. All right, we're back.
You see a light on it?
Yeah, I got a light on.
Okay.
So, this nut's been over-torqued. See how it's bowed out? That comes from over-torquing. Remember how I told you it's a left-handed thread? Look at how these hair impacts are set up. Unscrewing,
Yeah.
left-handed thread goes backwards. That button should be down.
Oh.
See this one here?
Oh.
Same way. I was unscrewing a nut, so I was tightening a nut, so I over-torqued it.
Oh, I see.
That's what ripped it all to pieces.
Ah.
So it's all my fault. That's called screwing up. I'm telling them how to do it right, and I do it backwards. So that's all my fault. 100%, I did all that. Yeah. If it'll pull torque on the new sprocket, we're good to go. Otherwise, we get to pull the tranny apart and put another gear in there. Okay, it goes down that far, but I don't know if there's enough there to torque on. Okay, we're not using that one no more. We're going back to this one. This time we're going to leave it on loosening, which is tightening. Okay, where's the new sprocket? So when we pull this apart next time, we'll have to put a new gear on here.
Never gonna happen.
Never going to happen,
Part of me somebody else's bike first.
as long as it rides and good to go, we're not going to do anything. Okay. Alright, now the next problem is this does not want to go on there now. Why is this not going on? Steel hammer.
Steel hammer, it's
Behind me.
right there.
Yeah, once you grab the one behind me, it's easier. Wherever it's at. Way under there.
How about that?
Okay, that'll work. Kind of, I don't have to get my hand in here. Appears to be a tight fit. Okay. Lots of Loctite.
Maybe we should put a little JV in there too,
No.
just to fill the voids.
No. No JB Juniors in there. I'm going to leave the lock off to give me another thread or two on the inside, or at least one more. Okay. This time we're going to leave it on loosening for tightening. Appears to be tight. Okay.
I can put a lock tab on, huh?
Spins nice and true.
Should be fine with all Loctite in.
We're not putting no lock tab on it, no. We left that off. We had a clearance issue. We had a clearance issue with the lock tab. It's called hitting a nut. Okay, so that looks like crap. It is crap, but it pulled torque. That means it's good. Now the other problem is, see how that seal there appears to be coming out slightly?
Mm-hmm.
It just did come out slightly. See how it's loose?
Yeah.
So I gotta try to pull that out right now. All this work on the thing's got the seal loosened up. Now I'll guarantee that'll leak. All right, so I'm gonna go try to get the seal out and we'll be back.